Hi guys, if you want to change all capital letters to lowercase in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. In case you have any Google Docs page like this, where all the text on the page is in the capital letters and you want to change all the capital letters to lowercase, for that, first of all, select all the text which you want to change from capital letters to lowercase. So first of all, select the text. And after the selection, go to the format section and then click on text and then click on capitalization, and from these options select the option lowercase. And now all the selected capital letters will be changed to lowercase, you can see. And in case if you want to change all the text available on the page from capital letters to lowercase, for that, first of all, press Ctrl plus A key on your keyboard and all the text on the page will be selected. And now to change all capital letters to lowercase, simply go to the format section, click on text and then click on capitalization, and from these options select lowercase. And now all the capital letters will be changed into lowercase, you can see. And in case if you want to type everything in lowercase, then let's see the next method. If you want to type everything in lowercase, for that, first of all, go to the tool section and then click on preferences, and here you will see the option automatically capitalize words. You have to disable this option, so simply uncheck it and then click on OK. And now the auto capitalization will be disabled, and from now on the first letter of the sentence will not be capitalized automatically. And along with disabling the auto capitalization, you have to also make sure the caps lock key on your keyboard is off. And once you have disabled these two things, from now on whatever you type will be in lowercase. Let's check it. You can see everything is being typed in lowercase. You can see everything is in the lowercase. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change all capital letters to lowercase in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.